y'all? Welcome or welcome back. So in this video we are going to be styling this 12-inch bob from Sogram Hair on Amazon. And y'all, wasn't gonna do this video, but one of my mutuals inspired me to actually do my hair and actually style it. So we're gonna actually do it and we're gonna style it. And y'all, I'm gonna do a signature side part, but we're gonna have the dramatic edges and everything. And it's gonna be real cute. Okay, but first we have to get this bob as flat as possible. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my middle part. This is how I get my not middle part, my side part. I start at the front of my eyebrow and then I do it here, and then I just do it in a C shape here. Okay, but listen, look, you bring it all the way to the front and bring out that hair here, so you can get that deep side part. Okay. Yeah, so you want to have a middle part. Because we don't want no middle part, okay? We want a side part. Definitely recommend one of these braiding combs too. Because this is going to get your part right, okay? Gonna take a little minute though. Because I did just hot combing it and everything to one side. Now I'm doing this to the other side. Hopefully that'll give me no issue. I'll just go ahead and get my wax stick and have it already on there. Okay. Get your hot comb and just spread it. Use this part to press it down, y'all. So you really get it in there. Really get it flat. Okay. And then when it comes to the back, I just do this. See? Still got some here. And I gotta pluck this wig. I have to actually pluck this wig out. I haven't plucked the wig in so long. But let me go ahead and make sure everything's straight with this. I'm gonna pull this out. Pull them hairs out too, y'all. Pull them hairs out. Don't be scared to do stuff to your wig now. Okay, don't be scared. See? We're getting somewhere. So you do it in sections. And you bring this around here. You see? Make sure. I think I'm gonna do this video how to do a deep side part, or how to get a good deep side, something like that. Something to do with the side part. Because I know people out there are trying to learn how to do their own hair. So I'm gonna help the people out. Help the people. Do something good on this earth. While I'm here, I'm gonna help y'all install wigs. Even though I'm not the best, I'm not a freaking professional. I'm just self-taught. Still want to teach y'all what I know. Okay. So y'all, we got the side part. We got the curve. We got the C. We're good with our part. Now, onto these edges. What you want to do for your edges, you want to just go ahead and, hold on, y'all, let me get this hair out the way. Okay. So for your edges, you just want to go ahead and do a triangle shape like this. And make sure you get a little bit right here. See? Y'all see where I'm at? Like at the end of your eyebrows, where it should end, where your part should end. And then your edges space should be like this. Okay. Boom. Like that. So just make sure this is out. Go ahead and hot comb. I'll just keep hot combing stuff, y'all. Just keep hot combing. So your shit can be laid. Okay. Laid to the gods. Okay. I'm going to make sure everything is flat. I wish I had some mousse, y'all. I've been doing my edges with spritz for so long because I just have yet to go to the store and get mousse. I gotta pluck this some more, y'all, so just let me do that. But anyways, I gotta go to the store and get some freaking mousse, bro. Then every time I do go to the hair store, I forget about the mousse, which is crazy. I'm not gonna pluck that much though. Plucking ain't really my spiel no more. We just be putting these bitches on. I be putting these bitches on for real. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this. Where's my? I'll probably say where's my 50 times in a video. You're gonna get your eyebrow razor, or you can use scissors. I use scissors too, but I'm gonna use eyebrow razor today, and just so I can get that good diagonal cut. And then I use scissors to just go back over and stuff like that. And when I don't have this, I use scissors. You can use either or. And for my sideburns, y'all see some already out. I think it just came with the wig. The wig came like that. Y'all, I love this wig lace. Not even gonna lie. It's a good transparent lace for real. Okay, so I did a little C right there. I think I showed y'all a little bit in the last video with this wig. I do a C right here. And then make sure everything else is up. I want to do a little curl thing too. Y'all know, like a little curl thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The little extra edges. I want to do that, but I really don't know how. Never mind. I'm just gonna do my signature. The super duper boop boop boop. Okay. We're gonna do a little super boop boop there. I need to pluck this a little bit more. You don't want your edges to be too thick. So just pluck a little bit, but not too much, okay? Not too much, because you don't want it to be balding either. So just cut your, I mean not cut, pluck your part a little bit. Yeah, really plucking. You got to be really careful with plucking as I go crazy and pluck. But listen, I've been doing it for a minute, y'all. So I know how I want it to look. I know when to stop plucking for me. You know, because it's all in preference. It's all based off what you like. Now, if you're a hairstylist, you really gotta practice that shit. Because what you're doing on your own head, it don't really matter because it's your head. You know, if you mess up, you mess up. But if you're trying to do this on other people's head, yeah, really practice and get you a mannequin head and glueless wigs. Get you a glueless wig, get you a bob like this to practice. This bob was $58. So I will link this here in the bio if you guys are interested. But not the bio, the description. It'll be linked in the description. My Amazon storefront is in my bio. But if y'all are interested in this. But yeah, if you want to practice, I would suggest getting a bob wig with the 13x6 lace just so you have some room if you want to cut in and stuff like that. And also a glueless wig as well. You can practice on those too. Because those are just inexpensive. These are inexpensive wigs for you to practice on. Practice plucking and things like that. And or matter of fact, you just go to your local hair store and get like a $40 funnel. Literally, they be having them. So it's a lot of ways you can just learn and teach yourself. I just used to use wigs that I had already, and I would just repluck over them or I try to do different things like style and stuff to those wigs I already had. So yeah, reuse, y'all, reuse and save. That's the good idea too. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and get this all flattened out. Hot comb is at the highest. Is it? No. Now it's at the highest, 450. See, this hair could take it. It should be able to take it. Because it was at 390, so it should be good. But yeah, make sure everything is flat. Ow! I'm gonna put my use my Remy wax stick here to get all these excess hairs like over here. down. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I say that every video, bro. Because I am. Because I'm sitting here actually talking and doing a... What happened, baby? Your teeth what? Yeah, his teeth broken? Yeah, he's eating popcorn. So that's some scary shit. Anyways, I'm so proud of myself for sitting here talking, bro, through this install and not just putting music over it like I would. Okay, y'all. Let me see. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna do my edges. No. Hold on. We gotta make sure this shit is flat. Okay. Playing no games. And then I know I gotta plug up my I just had to charge my phone real quick. Okay. Let me put my flat iron back in. Alright. Guys, the flat iron I use is the 7 Magic hair straightener off of TikTok shop. It's a good straightener, y'all. I said Baby Bliss Dupe and I'm fucking with it. I love it. Okay. I haven't pulled out my actual Baby Bliss in a minute. I don't have the one like this with the Y. I have the skinny Baby Bliss. But I haven't pulled it out since I got that one a couple months ago. Well, I think last month, a couple months ago, something like that. But yeah, I'm put some heat protectant, some hairstyle hair serum. Y'all see, it's not even had this for like half a year. Has yet to even run out or do me dirty. Okay, that's in my storefront as well. Everything I use for my hair, all my nails, all the lashes that I use, the kits I wear, all of that stuff is in my Amazon storefront, y'all. I'm looking at my eyebrows. It's me looking at my eyebrows. I'm supposed to be doing something else. Okay, let me just go over these little sections one time. Then this is also at the highest setting, y'all. It's at 450. I'm lying. And now it's at 450. I'm putting at 410. Because this shit get real hot, okay? Not saying a hot comb don't, but this shit be scaring me. More than a hot comb, this shit really hot. This shit came with a glove. Y'all know what he doing. He just be playing with himself. Oh, baby. You're not getting no sibling either. Y'all can go ahead and cut that up. Cut that. If you was going to say something about that. Only child. Say only child. Only child. He me anyways. I feel like he'd be me to the new baby. I don't know. He got only child syndrome for real. Maybe do not. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges with my spritz, y'all. This is what I do. I spray spritz on there. Does it even? I don't think this is focused the whole time. Anyways, and then I just go like this. But there's a piece that's not cut. If you use scissors, cut it in a diagonal way. Same thing with the eyebrow razor. Cut it in a diagonal way. I don't know how to say that. Okay, and then just want to keep combing it and holding. Combing, hold, and swoop. Okay? Comb, hold, and swoop. And just keep moving down the edge as you do it. This is how I learned to do my side edges, side part edges. And then so it's like that. I want it to be down a little bit more actually. Okay, now that it's like that, y'all, and you got your edge, get that blow dryer. Yeah, I was looking for it. Get that blow dryer, put everything on there cool. Boom. Alright, you got that blow dryer. Got that bitch on cool. You got the edge laid. Now we're gonna do this. Do I want to do this one? This is cute like this though, just like hanging like that. And if I cut it a little bit, hold on. It's gonna give like, I feel like it's gonna give like natural, yeah, natural hair or some shit like that. So we're gonna cut it diagonal like this. And just to do a little something to it, I'm gonna grab the comb. It don't have that much spray on it no more, so I'm just gonna do that and do one quick little swoop. Hold on, y'all. That's on there. Oh, wait, this one. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm just about to do it now. It just be looking so cute, you know, when you see the potential, you just keep on going. And the potential is different. It's gonna look bomb. Ooh, I'm supposed to be recording a TikTok, y'all. See? This is what happens when you get random ideas. Because this is a random idea for YouTube. I should just kept going on TikTok because I already did the install on TikTok too. It's okay, I can just add it on. It's like excess hairs. I'm just gonna pull those out. Okay. Boom. Come on, y'all. What is it giving? What is it giving? Let's put some makeup on the parts. Where's my little makeup? Put some makeup over here. I'm gonna put some makeup in the part here. Boom. Boom. You don't have to do this side because can't nobody see it. Okay. And boom, that was part 2, y'all, of this wig install. Hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all enjoyed both of the videos. If you haven't seen the last video of this wig install, go ahead and click here, or it will be at the end of the video. Well, click on the little, what is it called? I don't know where it'd be. I think it'd be up here. The little tag. It'll be up there, and then it'll also be at the end of the video to see this last, to see this install. My bad. But anyways, y'all, I want to thank y'all for watching. Comment down below if I missed any tips that you want to see. I will probably make a quick video about them. Y'all, I'm not gonna be about anything at this point. But go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts. Oh, that's Bray is out. Bye.